Today I'm going to show you how to cancel an order on Amazon after it's already been shipped. While canceling after shipping isn't always guaranteed, acting quickly can increase your chances of success, and I'll walk you through exactly what to do. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper right toolbar where you'll see an option labeled Returns and Orders. Click on that to proceed. Now, although I don't have an active item right now, I will show you the next step. Once you're on the Returns and Orders page, scroll through your order history to find the shipped order you want to cancel. When you locate it, click on that order to open the Details page. On the Order Details page, look for a button that says Cancel Item or Cancel Order. Click on it to begin the cancellation process. Keep in mind that once an order has shipped, Amazon may not always allow cancellations, but it's worth trying if you've caught it early enough. Next, if the option is available, click on Request Cancellation. This button will only appear if Amazon's system determines that your order can potentially still be stopped before delivery. It's important to note that this isn't guaranteed post-shipping, so don't be discouraged if the option isn't there. You'll then see checkboxes next to the items in your order. Check the box for the specific items you want to cancel. If you're canceling the entire order, make sure all items are selected. After selecting your items, you'll need to provide a reason for the cancellation. Look for the drop-down menu labeled Select Cancellation Reason and choose the option that best describes why you're canceling. Amazon uses this information to improve their service, so try to be accurate with your selection. Once you've selected your reason, click the button that says Cancel Selected Items in this order. This submits your cancellation request to Amazon for review. On the next screen, you'll be asked to confirm your cancellation request one final time. Review the information to make sure everything is correct, then confirm on the next screen. After you've confirmed, Amazon will process your request. You'll receive an email shortly that explains the status of your cancellation request. Amazon typically approves most cancellation requests if you act quickly enough after shipping, but they may deny it if the package is already too far along in the delivery process. If your cancellation request is denied because it's too late in the shipping process, you still have options. You can refuse the delivery when the package arrives, which will send it back to Amazon, or you can accept the delivery and then process a return through the same Returns and Orders section. And that's how you cancel an order on Amazon after shipping. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.